18,000 square meters of state-of-the-art technology. 240 dedicated staff members operating the most advanced industrial equipment of its kind. Since 1959, Alex Original has been at the forefront of advanced automotive technology production, specializing in the manufacture and supply of auto air conditioning systems, transport refrigeration systems, rooftop units for minibuses, and electric sliding doors and steps. At Alex Original, we are proud to have pioneered a unique and revolutionary industrial concept. Every stage of design and manufacture conducted under one roof. From concept and design, to development, production, and delivery to the customer. This means total independence and self-sufficiency. We don't rely on outside sources for parts or equipment. We design the most advanced systems, and then we produce and assemble the parts we need to turn our vision into reality. Our distinctive manufacturing approach enables a rapid turnaround time, meeting the ever-changing demands of a dynamic market. Based on a careful study of market requirements and incoming orders, decisions are made regarding the next production run. Then, all departments go into action simultaneously. Within days, the finished parts flow onto the assembly line, and soon after, our shipments are on their way to our customers. Our planning and design experts are continually working to develop innovative products that lead the way into the future. The spirit and tradition of pioneering excellence continues today with the latest innovation from Alex Original, the first of its kind, an electric mechanism that activates the rear doors of commercial vehicles. Now, you don't need to have your hands free to open or close the doors of your vehicle. With the Alex Original ingenuity, this new innovation provides the ultimate convenience of a hands-free mechanism for easy opening and closing of vehicle doors. Alex Original, nearly 5 decades of experience producing the highest quality products, manufactured with expert skill, modern equipment, and the Alex Original guarantee of excellence, delivered on time. Alex Original auto air conditioners and transport refrigeration units are well known in over 50 countries. Alex Original is the proud winner of many industry awards for pioneering excellence, including the EMRC Certificate of Honor and an Industry Pioneer Award from the International Mobile Air Conditioning Association in the USA. Proof of our expertise and unwavering dedication to quality. Alex Original, pioneering technology and excellence yesterday, today, and into the future.